So Traxxas has just dropped the new Slash two-wheel drive VX3. So let's have a look at it out the box. So straight away, we can see that we've redesigned the body shell slightly, so it's a more sleek a body shell. It's clipless now, and they've got some funky paint designs on it, some new colours. So we've got blue, red, orange, and they do a black version. We've got the blue one right here. Clipless body, so you've got 2 clips in the front and 2 clips in the rear. And then inside, you've got the low centre of gravity two-wheel drive Slash chassis. They have done a little bit of updating with it, so it's got a nice carbon fibre effect in the plastic. The receiver box is now integrated into the chassis, just with a screw-on lid. We have the slide-on and clip-in battery strap that on this car is also reversible for taller batteries. You've got the 2057 metal geared steering servo, so this is an upgrade over the old one because it's metal geared, not plastic. We've also got their new VX3 system, so this is their new 2 and 3S brushless system. So we've got the VX3 ESC, it's 2 or 3S compatible. Will not run nickel metal hydride, so you can't run NIM batteries on these cars. So you need a 2S or a 3S LiPo. On 2S it will do 40 mile an hour, on 3S it will do 60 mile an hour. That is speed straight out the box, so that is no optional gearing anymore. It is just geared ready to go out the box. It also combines with their new Velineon V3 200, so 3200 kV motor. This is vented and does have a fan in the motor as well to keep it cool. The ESC also has the fan ready fitted inside it. You can take it off, you can unplug it so as it's not on, but it does have the fan inside it ready to go. It has 32 DP gearing, same as other Slashes, but the biggest difference, you can't see it, but inside here the motor is a 5mm shaft motor, so there are much more gear choice available because it's on a 5mm pinion. You've also got GTR shock absorbers, so these are slightly bigger bore than the standard ones. You've also got a screw adjustment collar to adjust the ride height now, so none of the plastic clips anymore. It's a screw adjustment collar. And you've also got a screw retainer for the lower spring retainer. Previously, when you were jumping and bashing these cars, these spring retainers used to pop off and you'd lose them. They've now held that on with a screw. Looking at it as well, you've also got the extreme heavy duty Traxxas arms on it, front and rear, and you've also got the extreme heavy duty drive shafts on the rear on this car. So this is their new VX3, so this will run alongside the normal Slash for the time being. Not sure how long that will stay that way, but this is a completely new car. It is not a redesigned Slash, it is a brand new car that Traxxas have released called the Slash two-wheel drive VX3.